Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So number 2, I will put 1 plus 1. This one, that is about identities. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So in this one, I will put about s plus number 1 equals to tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we got tan t square plus 1. Later that we can change for secant of t square, and then we simplify the square root and ds. So in this situation we have s, so I will put number 1 go to the right. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about secant of t square. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. So I will put this one gone here. S we change for this one. ds we change for this one. So this one that is about secant of t square. The square root of secant of t square, that is about secant of t. Later that we can simplify secant of t. So we just have like this. So secant of t multiplied by tan t and number 1. So the integration of this one, that is about secant of t. This one we have Ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we can find the value of t, that is about octane of s plus number 1. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.